Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make banana bread toast. First, you'll need a delicious loaf of banana bread, whether it's freshly baked or from your favorite bakery. Make sure it's cooled completely before slicing. You'll also want to have your toaster or a skillet ready. This simple treat is perfect for breakfast or a delightful snack, offering a warm, comforting experience in just a few minutes. Let's get started with preparing our bread. Next, let's prepare our banana bread for toasting. Carefully slice your loaf into pieces that are about 1/2 inch thick. This thickness ensures even toasting and a pleasant texture. If your slices are too thick, they might not fit well in a standard toaster or could remain soft in the middle. For an extra touch of richness, you can lightly butter each side of the bread before it goes into the toaster or pan. This step adds a wonderful golden crispness. Now it's time to toast your banana bread. You have a couple of great options. For a quick and easy method, simply place your slices into a toaster and toast to your preferred level of golden brown. Alternatively, for a richer, crispier result, heat a skillet over medium heat with a small amount of butter. Cook each side for about 2 to 3 minutes until beautifully golden and slightly crunchy. Both methods yield a delicious outcome. Finally, let's elevate your banana bread toast with some delightful toppings. A simple drizzle of warm honey or maple syrup adds a lovely sweetness. For a fresh burst of flavor, consider adding sliced fresh bananas, a handful of berries, or a sprinkle of toasted nuts. A dollop of whipped cream or a dusting of cinnamon can also transform this simple treat into a gourmet experience. Enjoy your perfectly toasted banana bread.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.